Good morning, YouTube. It's W from Needy Cat Media. Today we have another project. So today we are going to change out the dryer vent on our Kenmore Elite dryer. We were getting a D90 error, and I'm being told that when you have this type of front load dryer, you are not supposed to use I don't know, we would call it the slinky type of dryer vent. So today we're going to swap it out. Stay tuned. So this is what we're going to change out. I went down to the Lowe's Home Improvement, and this is pretty cool. This is a, I'll try to get a little closer here, but this kind of slides up and down. So a couple different things. One, I forgot, and don't yell at me, but alright, so you got to have protection on your hands, especially when you're working with any form of ductwork, because any little slip and you're going to cut yourself. So as you can see, I went through and I made some slits. That way it fits on top of the duct that goes outside with little vent doors. And that seemed to be a little bit better. I tried to squeeze these and kind of fit this inside, and yeah, that didn't work very well. The other thing too is that, so this is how this is going to fit on here. And on the back, once I get it all together, you'll be able to see how I connected it, but it's all one piece. So I wanted to give you a little update. So we attached it here. It's like a little jigsaw puzzle. So it's kind of fun to get all these pieces to connect and turn the right way so that everything connects, and then obviously shoots up that way. And you know, I would suggest the aluminum tape, and I'll show you the roll in a minute, but make sure you get yourself some aluminum tape, because once you get these pieces together, it's easier just to tape them. I learned the hard way. Every time I put it together, it fell apart, and then I'd start cussing and I have to start from scratch again. So I use the aluminum tape to tape them. Here's a roll of the aluminum tape, but it's self-adhesive. You get this down Lowe's too. That's all you need. Okay, gang, I'm back. So we had some finagling to do. One, I ended up buying a new outside vent. The one that was out there we've had for several years, and my wife said, hey, if we're doing it, let's just do it all. The other thing that I did was I bought a little extender piece. It's called a starter. It's about this wide, and it fit perfect inside of the vent piece. So I would really recommend you guys getting those, because it pulls it out of the wall. It was real short when I was trying to attach this piece to it, and it made it very difficult to manage. Once I had the extender on it, it was 10 times easier. I did pull the dryer out just a little bit. Let me show you the other side. So here's the other side. It comes down. I really like these little adjustable elbows, but it's connected all together. And then, like I said, I used the aluminum tape, and I used it up there too. So now it's all one piece. It's all metal, and it should be much safer. So here's the outside. Like I said, it just has a little grate on it. Has a little grate. It comes off. Has one little door inside. And then what I'll do here is I'll just put some clear silicone all the way around the side, so it doesn't move. It'll be weatherized. There won't be no moisture going inside. So that'll be the next phase of what we do before we finish this video. Okay, so I got the silicone and I put it all the way around. It'll take a few minutes for that to dry, but maybe up to a half hour. It's pretty humid out here, but that's what it's going to look like. 10 times better than what it was before. Yeah, so now I have this part, and I think what I'm going to do, I have another project I have to get done, but I'm probably going to fill this up with mortar and close it up, as I'm not planning on ever moving this, and make that look nice and paint it. But that's the project for today, everybody. Thanks for hanging in there if you watched the whole video. I hope you learned something. Again, this probably took me 2 hours to do, only because I didn't have all the right parts, but if I would have, it probably would have taken me about an hour job. But this is a pretty cool difference between that and using this. So even though they tell you not to use that with the newer dryers, but I don't know, we've had these now for a little while and we've never had a problem. But alright, thanks everybody. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks, bye.